dusty road.
Hey everybody, so today I'm out here working in the garden. I'm showing y'all what I built last night. That was the garden roll maker. Well, let me turn you around. There it is. I got a tire on there, old tire. It ain't bolted down or nothing, but I got it filled with rocks out of the garden for a little bit of weight. And I got it chained to the 3-point on my tractor. This is a Kubota B7200 4-wheel drive, non-hydrostat or gear driven, but it's 18 horsepower. It does awesome for everything I need it to. But I'm on
through the prairie wide, a dusty road, no need to hide. With boots worn down and a hat pulled low, it's a long way back, but we're in no hurry to go. The sun dips low in the amber sky, coyotes howl, a lonesome cry. With the stars alight, we carry on the dusty road home where we belong, singing sweet and low, a tale untold of the weary heart and the spirit bold. Through the fields of gold and the hills of stone, we walk together, never alone.
There you go. Give you a little bit of an idea. It's about 4 inches tall. All the way down through there. Now I just got to turn around and come back up. I'll show you what it looks like whenever it's all ready to be planted and got my rows in. Well, thank y'all. God bless, and hope God bless y'all. And well, like, share, subscribe, and follow. And hope you like what you see as far as gardening. Well, guys, this is what it looks like whenever you get done with the homemade roll maker. I'd say it done a pretty good job for being cheap, fast, and easy. But on average, your rows about 9 inches, 10 inches wide. I mean, it might be more if you went through there after a tiller or something to really get it broke up. But I got a tiller right there, but it don't seem to work very well in clay and hard rock. But that's the best I can do with what I got. Now I just got to mulch everything and start my seedlings. But I'll keep y'all along on the gardening updates. Thanks.